Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we will dive deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 6th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 15th of January, 2025, our system has categorized Meta as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of approximately 15.37% since we initially recommended purchasing Meta 16 days ago. This results in an average return of about 0.96% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of recent developments, we are unable to ascertain the stock's next movement, as it could potentially go in either direction. The stock has broken through a significant upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. Should there be any pullback, support will now be found at the ceiling of the current trend, which has been breached at $697.96. This level may present a second opportunity for those looking to capitalize on a surge. According to fan theory, $773.43 is identified as the next potential peak for the trend, likely serving as a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend implies a possible change of approximately 17.88% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 3.6% and 15.55%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 35.08% over the next year, with potential returns between 3.84% and 27.97%. This indicates a projected price range between $739.32 and $911.13 by the end of the year. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, Green Day on Thursday for Meta. The Meta stock price experienced a gain of 1.01% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 6th of February, 2025. The price rose from $704.87 to $711.99. This marks 10 consecutive days of gains. It is relatively uncommon for stocks to achieve such a streak, and it is reasonable to anticipate a potential decline for a day or two. On the last trading day, the stock saw fluctuations of 2.19%, with a low of $703.50 and a high of $718.90. Over the past 10 days, the stock has risen in all 10 instances, showing an increase of 11.87% over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 4 million shares, with a total of 13 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $9.27 billion. It is important to consider that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $718.90 and its lowest price of $414.50. Currently, the price stands 0.96% or $6.91 below the 52-week high of $718.90. Which is also the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms is making headlines as the company evaluates the future of its ambitious Metaverse project, which the chief technology officer has described as potentially a legendary misadventure. This introspection comes as Meta's stock recorded an impressive 55% gain over the past year and an 18% jump in January, largely driven by favorable market conditions, including the potential ban of TikTok and heightened investments in artificial intelligence. Meta recently committed to increasing its capital expenditure to between $60 billion and $65 billion for 2025, focusing on artificial intelligence and creator tools. The news of Meta's substantial investments in technology could strengthen investor confidence, catalyzing further stock appreciation in the near term. However, the significant cashing in by Chief Executive Officer Mark Zuckerberg may raise eyebrows among investors, prompting scrutiny regarding management's long-term vision and whether the current price levels are sustainable. Additionally, with discussions around stock splits gaining traction in the broader tech sector, the possibility of Meta following suit could further elevate its stock, which traditionally has exceeded market returns after a split. Overall, while short-term momentum looks promising for Meta, driven by strong financial performance and strategic investments, its long-term trajectory could hinge on the company's ability to navigate challenges related to the metaverse and the competitive landscape of artificial intelligence. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Meta an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Meta a buy rating with an upgrade recommendation. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned Meta an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned Meta an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, it was reported that Pivotal Research assigned Meta a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal emerges from the relationship between these two indicators, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During potential downward corrections, support is anticipated at $695.88 and $630.31. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 19.81%. Further growth is expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume declined during the last trading session despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the stock warrants close attention. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots last indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. Bollinger Bands gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a buy signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 45 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average last showed a buy signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 128 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 121 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta finds support from accumulated volume at $687. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $15.40 between its high and low, which amounts to 2.19%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 2.88%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 23rd of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.47. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to guide your exit strategy. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $687. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Mark Zuckerberg, who bought and sold 8,207 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 33.38. Overall, insiders purchased 120,866 shares and sold 242,457 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $684.12, reflecting a decrease of 3.91%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom observed 16 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may consider holding or accumulating while awaiting further developments. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 7th of February, we anticipate that Meta will open lower, approximately 527 ten-thousandths of a dollar, starting the day at $711.46. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.